We got the Huawei P30 Lite in the house today. It's that time of the year. So let's go ahead and read down these specs real quick. So we got a 6.15-inch display that is 1080 by 2312. We do have a 24 megapixel camera on here, 6 gigabytes of RAM. We also have a 3340 milliamp battery. So this guy does come with Android 9.0 right out of the box. You do get a micro SD card with this guy. It does have the fingerprint scanner, fast charging on this guy, and USB Type-C. So let's go ahead and crack the box open. It's the same exact box as the P30 Lite. Very simple. Oh boy. So let's see, 128 gigabyte version. This one is, yeah, this one looks really nice. This is the black version. Let's go ahead and do that. Once in a lifetime plastic. Alright, probably the most not smudge free this phone will be. Looks very nice. We got triple camera setup on this phone. We also got the fingerprint scanner right here, power button, volume rocker, teardrop notch, USB-C, headphone jack as well as that grill. Man, this actually almost looks kind of blue, like a really dark blue a little bit. It is like a little dark blue on the sides here. As you can see, it's not completely black, which looks really nice. Go ahead and boot it up. See what else we got. So, unlike the P30 Lite, this comes with a case. So we got manuals. This comes with a clear coat case, and it looks like a screen protector. So very nice. That was one of the things I complained about. So it does come with a clear, rubber case, which is going to be awesome. We do have USB-C. Let's make sure. Alright. That fast charging brick. And we get the headphones. These look like the same exact headphones from the P30. And they sound okay. They don't sound they don't sound crazy good, but they sound okay. Especially they're good enough for, like, I plug them into the PlayStation. They're good enough for that. It's good enough for that type of stuff. So this is taking a while to boot up. So I'll go ahead and pause the video, put my information in, and we can go ahead and breeze through the OS real quick. Alright guys, so we got it all booted up, and the display looks beautiful on here. It's bigger, but like I said, it feels more compact, and it's definitely that teardrop notch is not distracting at all. They removed the Huawei logo from right here on the P30. It was right there. They removed that, so really nice. So let's just breeze through the OS real quick. The full review will be coming shortly. Just to get a little more time with it. So they did not install a whole bunch of applications on here. I installed a few applications, but as you can see, not a lot of applications on here. Let's go ahead and check and see how much memory we get out of the box. And let's click on storage, and we have why is it's not telling me? Let me see. We got 18 gigabytes used out of 128. So not bad at all. We still got over 100 gigs left. So let's just go ahead and check out, see if we see anything different on here so far. And so we got Wi-Fi, we've got the Bluetooth, we got the flashlight, we got sound, auto rotate, Huawei share, location, screenshot. You can take a screenshot right from here just with that button. You don't have to click the power button or do anything goofy. So if you click down here, we do have Ultra power saving mode right here. We got the navigation dot. This is for people with smaller hands. You click on that, you know, it could take you front, back, and stuff like that. So let me see if it worked. Yeah, so you got smaller hands, you can go ahead and play with that. Let's go back. We do have ride mode, and we do have the nearby mode, screen recorder built in right in the phone. Overall, Android 9.0 on here definitely feels smooth. You get more animations and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and see what we got going on in these settings. So let's go ahead and go to home screen. You can go ahead and mess with that. I changed it to the app drawer. As you can see, you can do the magazine unlock where it shows different wallpapers when you turn your phone on. We also got the step count. We go to sounds, see if we got anything in here. No Dolby audio. Let's see. Yeah, no Dolby audio on this guy. Notifications, apps, battery. Let's see. Optimize battery usage. Click on that. We can optimize the battery. Pretty much it'll just clean you know, applications and turn certain stuff off. This is new digital balance. So digital balance is telling you how much time you're spending on your device and what you're doing, and it also you can monitor your children's device as well. If you click on security, we do have the fingerprint scanner and the facial unlock, which works great. Go ahead and I'll show you guys quick. So it's really fast, you know, effortless. And if I try to unlock it with my face, see if it'll recognize me. Yeah, so we're open. Slide open. So really awesome so far. Let's go ahead and check out the display on here in these speakers. Since we can, why not? So sounds really loud, really good quality on these speakers. So let's go ahead and well, let's actually look at the display real quick. Let's see if it still has the same good color.
You're gonna have to get through me first. You're pretty fast.
So the display looks pretty good. The colors are really nice.
Trick, silly rabbit. Damn it! He won't let me use instant transmission.
Alright, and I did notice one thing that's different is we click on anything, we get a little Google thing that with Android 9.0, so everything's sort of animated with this version of Android, which is really awesome as well. Very pretty. We do have the Google Now still on here, and this phone is actually just a little bit snappier than the P30 Lite, not by a whole bunch, but it's definitely snappier. Okay, Google, NBA standings.
The Bucks are in first in the Eastern Conference.
So everything is really like, everything is just like a slightly snappier. It just feels snappier on here, which is to be expected. So let's go ahead and check out, see if we have any applications I'm missing, and everything's pretty much the same. Let's go ahead and jump into that camera real quick. So we do have that triple camera, one with a wide lens. And I was messing around with the camera and taking a few photos, as you can see. And the image quality is really good. The color accuracy is really great. I'll do more testing when it becomes nighttime to mess around with that night mode. As you can see, everything's really blurred out, really nice. And if you mess around with the camera just briefly, you can see we got photos, portrait mode. It will take a picture of, if you're taking a picture of somebody, it will blur the background. Night mode, I'll test out when it becomes nighttime. And then we have AR lens on here. As you can see, I move my face around. Go ahead and move. You have all these little weird little things. If you go to effects, this is just super random stuff right here.
Bring that ass back like a boom, 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 boom.
I was busy thinking about boys.
So I have no clue what this is, but you know, I don't know what that is. It's like some type of Snapchat thing, I'm guessing. We slide all the way over to video mode. Haven't taken any video yet. I will. We do have that pro mode, slow motion mode, the paranormal mode. We can mess with the aperture for the blur. We also got light painting. We got HDR, time lapse, filter, 3D paranormal, stickers, documents, and downloads. We can also see what else. Yeah, that's it. We can just edit it around. So so far really impressed with the P30 Lite. Definitely got to test it out more and see what I don't like and what I one of the things that it still doesn't have is it doesn't have any water resistance, so IP rating, which is unfortunate. So if you splash or drop anything, you know, this will probably end up breaking. Alright guys, so there's nothing else really in here that stands out. I'm going to continue to test this device out a little more, compare it to the P20 Lite, so those videos will be coming up. And yeah, so thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one.